Good afternoon, Ryan Kelly, Ecuador Shores Realty. As always, Manta Ecuador's #1 top producing, most recommended expat realty company. Coming today high atop the brand new luxury Riva Di Mare project, right down here again on the southern end of Manta Ecuador. Now I know that you guys already got a sneak peek of that view. I know that you guys want to get back to that, but I'm going to tease you on it just a little bit so I can show you the inside of this condo real fast. So coming into this unit, this is actually a 2-bedroom, 2-bath unit. I'm standing kind of in your living room area with the kitchen directly behind me. Your front door entrance is going to be right here. Off to the side right here is going to be a full laundry room. And I'm going to walk you through here to show you the bedrooms real quick, and then we'll get right out to that view. Yeah, I know, I keep on teasing you guys with that view, but it's only because I have to keep you guys focused on the interior just a little bit longer. So explaining the interior of your brand new condo, we're going to start off right here with your social/guest bathroom. This is actually going to wind into your master section, but we'll start off in the guest bedroom over here. Now this has plenty of room for a nice sized guest bedroom, as well as a beautiful picture window so that even your guests and family can enjoy all the views that Manta has to offer. Now coming in through your master section, you start off with an oversized master bathroom. It also comes complete with floor-to-ceiling window in the shower areas for plenty of additional natural light. And then coming into this gorgeous master bedroom. Now if you set up your bed here facing out this way, you get to enjoy, again, some of the best views that Manta has to offer. So without further ado, let's go check out the views. All right, so standing outside on your oversized balcony, and I apologize for the lighting. I know I'm coming out a little bit dark, but who cares about me? You're not here to see me. You're here to see this view. This view is absolutely stunning. It just doesn't get much better than this. Again, the Riva Di Mare is known not only for luxury and some of the most incredible finishes currently on the market, but nobody has views like this. So this is what you guys are all looking for. This is what we want to be able to take advantage of. Not only that, the views are great, but it's also a double whammy of location, location, location. Right down here on the southern end, we have La Quadra. This is one of the newest shopping districts right here. You have some of the best restaurants in town, including sushi, fresh seafood, and a great steakhouse as well. Plus you have a full gym, bowling alley, piano bar. And then as you just keep on walking right down the street, you're literally on Restaurant Row. You have a 5-star dining of Martinica. You have some of the best pizza in town with Jaimito's Gringo Pizza. You have Sorberto's ice cream, and then of course, right above that is the Ecuador Shores Real Estate Office. So we have that there for you too. Again, everything about this location is simply incredible. You can literally walk to everything you guys need. Now, Ecuador Shores Realty is proud to have the only letter of recommendation for an expat real estate company from the builders themselves of the luxury Riva Di Mare. We do have 1-bedroom, 2 bedrooms, and 3 bedrooms currently available, including this 12th floor unit. The 13th floor unit above we already sold, but this unit is still currently available. But again, with views like this, they are not lasting on the market for long. So contact us right away for more details. We'll be more than happy to send you everything. And of course, we look forward to scheduling a private tour with you so you can be able to see these views from here firsthand. As always, Ecuador Shores Realty looks forward to seeing you right down here in paradise so you can enjoy all that the beach life has to offer.